7 Best Skills for Remote Working. Hello everyone. You may be wondering if freelancing is really the future of skilled professionals. The simple answer is yes. According to the 2021 freelancing study, 71% of employers have decided to hire freelancers. So, if you are tired of 9-to-5 job and looking for freelance job to earn income with flexible working hours, then this video is for you. In this video, we will explore the high-demand skills for remote work. You can get a job, become a freelancer, or set up an agency using these skills. In today's highly competitive world, where over 57 million workers have switched to online jobs, getting a freelance career is more challenging than ever. But don't worry, stick to the video till the end because the last skill of today's video is the most critical, which will be in demand for at least a couple of decades. So make sure not to miss that skill. Let's jump to the 7 best high-paid skills. Number 7. Video editing skills. Video editing skill demand has skyrocketed due to the immense number of YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram users. And it's one of the best skills to learn if you plan to land a remote job. In this digitalized world, many companies are looking for video editors to convey their message globally in an exciting way. The demand for video editors is increasing day by day. With this skill, you can provide many services such as introductions to YouTube channels or making explainer videos. You can earn a minimum of $30 to $50 per hour by doing video editing tasks online. Number 6. Graphic designing skills. If you have a creative mind, you can learn this high-demand skill. Graphic designers are in demand for many businesses, just as social media design, logo design, or print media, and there are various projects to take on. As more and more websites are built today, graphic designers are always welcomed. This skill looks tough but can be learned quickly to earn a handsome amount of money. You can make almost $20 to $40 per hour by learning graphic designing skills. Number 5. Social media marketing skills. The next best skill to be learned is social media marketing. Today, many business owners who have set up their websites for online businesses urge to generate traffic to sell their products or services. E-commerce owners want to showcase their products or services to remain in the limelight and increase sales. For that task, they search for social media managers or marketers. Suppose you have a knack for online presence. In that case, this skill allows you to create online campaigns according to your clients' needs and market the products using social media networks. Social media marketers, on average, get paid $20 to $50 per hour. Hey, hold on. Before moving to the 4th skill, let me know in comments what is the best skill for a remote job in your opinion. Now let's get back to the video. Number 4. Copywriting skills. If you are a passionate writer, then freelance copywriting skill is the most viable option for you. According to recent research on freelance websites, buyers require skilled copywriters to write blog posts or articles for their websites. This skill is demanded today to grab readers' attention and drive the traffic and sales. And a rough estimate shows that almost 50,000 job openings are available for copywriters each year. An average copywriter earns between $20 to $40 per hour. Number 3. Search engine optimization. In today's world, almost every business has the website. To improve the page ranking of the website, SEO experts are required. They analyze the website and make necessary adjustment. Good SEO is critical for effective marketing strategy. SEO skill requires the online workers to make the website search engine friendly so that it can be ranked on the first page of search engine. This skill is in demand because many clients want their website to remain in the top results. So many companies constantly search for SEO experts and are willing to pay them an average of $20 to $75 per hour. Number 2. WordPress and website development. Every new business demands a well-designed website. WordPress and website development is a high-demand skill in today's era. Web development is the best skill to learn because, according to a study, almost 1 million positions can go unfilled in the USA alone in 2022 due to a lack of professional website developers. Being a free platform, mostly people prefer developing a website on WordPress and starting their business. WordPress websites offer many services such as affiliate websites, WooCommerce websites, blog websites, and many others. Freelancers can earn a handsome amount of money by learning this specific skill and offering these services to clients on freelancing platforms. The per-hour rate for a skilled WordPress developer is a minimum of $15 to $30. Are you still here waiting and curious for this video's top final skill? Wonderful! But before I unveil the last skill, Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends to keep them informed. Also, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated about our upcoming videos of your interest. Done. That's great. Now let's get back to the video. Top of the list is blockchain development skills. The most in-demand skill today is blockchain development. Since it is a fairly new dimension of technology, it opens up the whole new era of opportunities for freelancer. So, what is blockchain? Blockchain is a method of storing data that makes it difficult or impossible to update, hack, or deceive the system. A blockchain is simply a digital record of transactions that is replicated and distributed throughout the blockchain's complete network of computer systems. The enormous use of blockchain and futuristic technologies like cryptocurrencies, NFTs, smart contracts, and metaverse make it lucrative to invest and develop the expertise in the field. As a blockchain developer, you must learn public architecture and programming languages like Java or Python. A blockchain specialist earns about $50 to $125 per hour. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe our channel as we will keep you informed. Also, if you learned something new, let me know in the comments section. Catch you in the next video.